Good morning, good day, good afternoon. My name is Alexander Morose and I'm going to be your tutor during this video course. Today we're going to talk about XML files with MSXML.dll Guide 101. So basically it's going to be your guide, your basic video tutorial that I'm going to go with you through MSXML.dll library that provided by Microsoft for free, and I will show you how to work with XML documents or data, how to read them or open them, how to create them from scratch, how to edit XML documents or data, such as edit tags or nodes, as well as delete nodes or tags, as well as edit its values. So we'll be covering pretty much the basics to get you going and build a pretty nice project that will be open and manipulate with XML data or XML files. It's going to be compatible with Visual Basic 6, C++, C#, Visual Basic.NET, and other Windows programming languages that is capable of opening and working with DLL, and capable of programming under the Windows operating systems such as Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. As well as I believe this video tutorial will work for Windows 8 with your programming language, but I'm not sure about that. Okay, and this tutorial is provided by Morose Academy and Alexander Morose Researches. And Morose Academy is a great source where you can learn IT, graphic design, web developing, materials, and photography. I'm going to be the main instructor over that resource, and basically you can find it over the YouTube, and just type youtube.com/Morose Academy. As again, it's a great resource. Go ahead and subscribe. It will worth it. During making this video, I used the Morose Video Capture, the software that was developed by me to capture the screen, as you can see right now, and I used the PowerPoint for animation. As you can see, this nice tight animation. I used the PowerPoint for that, as well as I used the Visual Basic as my programming language, just because it's easy syntax to understand for any programmer, as well as beginner and professional. It's easy to understand the idea and then implement the idea in your language if you're not going to use Visual Basic 6. As well, I use Windows 7 64-bit, but as again, this idea will work with Windows XP 32-bit 64-bit, Windows Vista 32-bit 64-bit, and Windows 7 32-bit 64-bit, as well as it might work with Windows 8, but I'm not sure about Windows 8. And also I use the MSXML 6.dll library, that reference you need to work with this project, with this tutorial. Basically, to understand this idea, you will be needing this DLL, and you can Google and download from Microsoft MSXML 6 SDK or .dll. It's free, but as we know, sometimes Microsoft shutting down their libraries and turning them down. So I decided to go ahead, and I'm going to provide you a mirror so you can download it and use it in your project as well. If you're not going to find the mirror, or if you're watching this video tutorial not over the YouTube, go ahead and then Google it for MSXML 6.dll. And also I spent a lot of hours of researches and patience. So guys, if you can, just go ahead and donate me $1 or $5 over the PayPal. I will go ahead and provide my PayPal account down below. If you're watching this video tutorial over the YouTube, anything will help and will be for a good cause and for more video tutorials. Thank you so much for that. Well, you will need, as again, any Windows programming language such as Visual Basic 6, C#, Visual Basic.net, C++, or as again Real Basic, Dark Basic, Delphi, whatever language can work with Windows operating system, capable to compile for Windows operating system and to open the DLLs. And you will be needing MSXML.dll. Alright, it's time to learn. Let's go ahead and get started. And I will see you in a few seconds. Please go ahead and make yourself comfortable. It will be a long tutorial. It will be split into multiple parts. So if you're watching this video tutorial on YouTube, probably it's going to be multiple parts. Please be patient for this because not everybody is professional. Sometimes it's going to be beginners watching this tutorial, and I'm going to dedicate this tutorial for the beginners, which is not going to hurt you as well as you're a professional. You can always rewind the videos and skip the parts that you already know. Thank you so much, and I will see you in a few seconds.